What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I got a little something to help me with the wiring harness. Let's turn this thing around and see what it is, because I know you don't want to look at this mug. Yeah, but... Can you say Eastwood, a solution in every box? And I think this is going to be a pretty good solution for me. A YouTube friend had told me about this, so I went ahead and bought a kit. He was like, hey man, if you need something, just let me know and I'll let you use the kit. And I went and bought one. So yeah, buddy. So let's just get this turned around and get this thing opened up, and I'll tell you about my friend that told me about this. So yeah, buddy. So let's get this thing opened up, and I'm going to tell you, Edge of Eternity Bill Cameron is the one that told me about this. He had made it. He told me, he goes, if you need to borrow it, let me know, and you can borrow it. And I'm like, man, you know, YouTuber car guys are the bomb. YouTube people will help you no matter what, and I really appreciate that, Bill. And you got to watch Bill's channel, because Bill's a really good guy. He's got a '69 Camaro, I think it is, Z28 that he's got, and he's been working on and stuff. So he was working on the wiring harness, so he had bought something to help him on that, and he had, wow, where's it at? There it is. And he had mentioned this in one of my videos, my last video for the wiring harness. And he said, hey, if you need anything, let me know, and I'll let you use it. I'll send it your way. Well, Bill, you know, I figured that I need a lot of stuff, so I would go ahead and buy one myself, and I did. So let's get this thing pulled out here and throw the garbage in the back of the Fairmont, you know, because it is kind of like a dump truck, right? Thank you for your order. So Eastwood said, thank you for your order. Thank you, Bill, for letting me know about this. Pretty cool, huh? Let's set that right there. Oh, looky here, man. We got Eastwood stickers. You know what I mean? Eastwood. Clint Eastwood, baby. No, he ain't got nothing to do with this. I don't think he does, but you never know. Oh, dude, just look at, man. Look at here. Man, this comes in this is a nice kit. Look at that. Huh? Here, I'm sorry, it's upside down. It's not, but it is. So, crimp right, baby. Oh, yeah. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside of here. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So, Bill, I really appreciate you telling me about this. This is like really, really awesomely cool, man. But yeah, when you told me about it, I went right to Eastwood's website and I looked it up. I thought, man, I could really use this. And I could use it for a lot of things. You know what I mean? Not just the Fairmont. Because I'm always doing some kind of wire repair on something, you know? Whether I'm putting a wrench in or doing something. So yeah, buddy, you know, gotta have that boxing glove, right? You know, they call that a hillbilly boxing. Yeah, buddy. Got trash. Trash, you know, when you got trash, you know you got boxes and toys. So let's open this thing. Ooh. Wow, man, this looks like a pretty nice kit. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It even comes with instructions. It's a good thing I can't read. It's a good thing I can't read. But yeah, man, get over there and check out Edge of Eternity with Bill. He's a real good guy. I'm going to put a link down below to his channel. You guys can go over and check him out. A lot of you guys are probably already subscribed to him, but maybe not. So get over and check him out and tell him I sent you. Tell him I said hello, because Bill's good people. Yeah, he is. But you know what? Let me get this right here and turn this around and see what we got. So, okay, this is everything. Look at here. Oh, man, we got a crimper. We got all kinds of little doodles and gadgets so we can put wires together. You can make this stuff waterproof. I mean, it's all got all kinds of nice stuff in here, don't it? Yeah, it does. Yeah, so you can probably buy refill kits for it too. You know, and this makes it waterproof, and woo-hoo-hoo, boy, I got something to play with. Yes, I do. And these right here are for your crimpers and stuff, so that way you put them in here. I would believe that you would put them in there so you can crimp. Goes into the jaws, you know. I'm kind of liking this. Get it in there and crimp. Cool beans. Bill, I appreciate you putting me onto this, you know, because I'm definitely going to use this thing up and get that wiring harness done. So here's the harness. I'm getting all the wires and stuff out of it and stuff and that. And I think I can buy an aftermarket fuse box for this. That's the nice thing about it. And I got the rest of the wires over here, you know, so we's working on it, buddy. And you see how this right here is all broke off. So I think I can get a harness for that, a fuse box, you know. I had to go over to the junkyard today and pull the batteries out of the loader so I can get them charged up. Yeah, they were kind of dead. And, you know, there's no use to be leaving a charger over there or putting a charger on it because they'll just steal it. So I brought them home and put them on the baby charger. Yeah, buddy. I mean, I got a bigger charger, but I just need to slow charge these things because you get a better charge when you slow charge. So anyhow, my YouTube friends, we will be using this kit and getting this bad boy and that wiring harness straightened out. So this is part of the build for the reconditioning of the harness. So yeah, it's a pretty nice kit. And it even comes with the instructions. I'll try to read them. I ain't gonna promise anything. Let me turn this. Thank you for putting me onto that, and I appreciate you guys. Go check Bill out. I will have his link in the description down below. Get over there and say hello to him. Tell him I said hi, and tell him I sent you. Yeah, he's a real good guy, man. He does a lot of stuff. And you know, he preaches to the Lord and does a few videos for that and Bible videos, which is great, man. I love listening to him. He's inspiring, man. I like that. Guys, gals, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for stopping by, watching my videos. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. New subscribers, old subscribers, thumbs up, baby. I love y'all.